Here's how to replace the bulb on your Guardian overhead operator. First, you're gonna wanna locate the light cover tabs on each side. You're gonna press those and pull the light cover towards yourself. Now be careful, because these can be a little flimsy and sometimes they can break. A quick note to consider if you do replace the bulb and for some reason the new bulb still doesn't work, there's a little tab inside here that if it somehow gets folded over, it won't make a connection with the bottom of your bulb, and a new bulb won't work either. It's very important though that if you do decide to stick your finger in there to flatten the tab out, first unplug it so you don't electrocute yourself. A couple things about your bulbs. First, you want them to be 100 watts or less, and second, get incandescent bulbs. You're welcome to use LED bulbs, but what we found is sometimes LED bulbs will put off some kind of transmission or signal or something that disrupts the signal from your remote or your keypad to your operator. And so if that becomes a problem, then you're gonna be calling us or somebody else and paying us to come out and troubleshoot when all it is just a bad bulb that's blocking the signal. To replace the bulb, you're gonna do it just like you do in your house. You're just gonna screw it in. Finally, you're gonna put your light cover on. I suggest starting from the bottom, rotating it up towards the top, and then there's these two top pieces up here that you wanna get up on top of this ledge. And then you kind of push it down a little bit until you hear those snap, and you're good. Once you've done that side, then simply come over to the other side and follow the same process. If you have any other problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.